Hello, welcome to my channel. If you are new here, my name is Laura, and if you're returning, thank you so much for coming back. Today, I'm going to tell you 5 things that I bring when I travel. I'm a budget traveler. I tend to stay in guest houses and hostels and Airbnbs. So these are 5 things that you will need if you're a budget traveler too. Stick around. I mean, seriously. Let me just pause right here. That view from the hostel that I'm standing in is the most beautiful view in the world. So stick around to the end after I share my 5 must-haves so I can show you this incredible place. Okay, number 1, are you a light sleeper? Well, if so, you need to get yourself one of these. There you go. This is comfortable and it will help you sleep through the night if you are sensitive to light. Because sometimes hostels will have a certain time that they will turn the lights out. Sometimes, let's say 10 p.m. and the lights go out automatically and then you're good. But other times they don't do that. So if people coming in at different times during the night and flipping the lights on and off is going to bother you, then get yourself an eye mask so you can sleep in peace. The next thing you need to bring is these laundry sheets. Yep, this is soap in a square. I decided I was gonna stop using plastic bottles back home in the States, so I bought these and I realized these are great for travel. Very lightweight, obviously, super portable. They work really well. And in fact, I just did laundry here in my hotel. So I was really happy to have these. Okay, do you know what this is? It's a washcloth. It's drying right here. But this is another thing that you need to have. I have found in my travels that it appears that washcloths are like an American thing. I don't know. But if you like to use a washcloth, I highly recommend that you bring your own. And it's sitting here because I don't have access to a dryer. So it's drying here on my space heater. You know what this is, right? It's a hot water bottle. This is another must-have. If you are traveling somewhere that gets cold or somewhere where the buildings are old, this is necessary. Even if you have a space heater or lots of blankets, this really warms up your bed best. And of course you can use it at home. It's super economical. I love hot water bottles. So you just fill it up with mostly boiling water. I mean, the water should be almost boiling. And then throw it under your covers about 10 minutes before you're gonna get into bed. And it will make it so nice and toasty. And this stays warm all night. This is another must-have if you're staying in a hostel. This is a towel. It's a microfiber towel, so it feels different when you're drying yourself with it, but of course you can use it for your hair when you get out of the shower. You can use it for your body. You can use it to wipe up spills. It's just really nice to have. You can use it at the beach to lay on, but it dries very, very, very fast. So that is the huge plus for it. And this brand is, let's see, what is this? Oops. Rainleaf. Yep, and it has a little hook here so you can hang it up to dry. But I definitely use this in a pinch and highly recommend. So the hostel I stayed in is called House of Sandeman. It's in Gaia, which is near the city of Porto, right across the river. And it's built on the wine cellar, the Sandeman wine, port wine. And look at this view. This is the view from the hostel. I mean, right? Oh my gosh, unbelievable. And then this is the inside where you sit and relax. You meet people from all over the world. They serve breakfast here, they serve dinner here. I loved it. And the view, again. But I'll do a more extensive video specifically on the House of Sandeman because it deserves an entire video all on its own.
I hope these were helpful. Maybe you have something else that you find is a must-have when you are traveling. If so, leave it in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video.